Today we're going to talk to you about the PFC downdraft table. We build these in 1 horse and horse and a half, 800 or 1200 CFM. So we have the filter service gauge, filter hammer pneumatic cleaning, and then this is a 30 by 32 downdraft table. You can pull out the slats. All of the air goes down, through, and around, is forced down into the tray. We have a large 220 square foot filter. It's flame retardant 80/20 cellulose filter. We have the filter hammer cleaning, and then we have the dust dump tray. We just drop the tray, it's sealed. We can pull it out and dump the material out. After the air comes through, this is a MERV 1415 filter. We can also put a HEPA vinyl filter or a carbon odor filter on this.